Hello everyone, if you have clicked on this video that means you were in the search for best CLAT coachings institute in Mumbai. So here we are instituterank.com providing you the list of top 10 CLAT institutes in Mumbai so that you can visit them and see if they suits you. So searching for a best coaching class is quite tough. But here instituterank.com provides us the list of top 10 coaching institutes which are famous because of the various factors right from the faculty team to the infrastructure. Rank number 1 in this list would be Kautilya IAS CLAT coaching in Mumbai. The complete syllabus is reduced, short, and formed to the college students in the most pleasurable and quickest ways. The students who have joined Plutus Academy are pleased with the CLAT exam preparation techniques and the coaching institutes. Also, the CLAT exam study materials handed to the students by the Plutus Academy, and the contact details are mentioned. Second in this list would be the Hinduzone CLAT Coaching Institute in Mumbai. The online study material provided by the coaching institute is easily accessible to the students and is very easy to understand. Live classes are recorded and later the accessible to the students. The teachers at the Hindu Zone are very interactive with the students and they reach out to the students who struggle with particular topics. The teaching faculty here at the Hindu Zone is highly skilled and experienced teachers. Their address and all the necessary details are mentioned. Rank number 3 in this list would be Plutus IAS CLAT Coaching Institute in Mumbai. So, Plutus IAS CLAT Coaching Institute provides the best study material to go through, which provides the better understanding to the students. The success rate in the CLAT examination is very much high. Doubt sessions are taken for the students. Rank number 4 in this list would be Endeavor Careers CLAT coaching classes in Mumbai. Endeavor Careers have well oriented class and provide in depth study material. Every topic is covered individually by the test series provided by the coaching institute. The doubt of the students is clarified in the doubt clearing sessions which are conducted at the end of the sessions. Rank number 5th in this list would be Career Launcher CLAT Coaching Institute in Mumbai. Career Launcher CLAT Coaching Institute and maintains an excellent study to teacher student to teacher ratio which lets teacher have common more attention to every individual. Batches are formed based on the student's performance, which creates an environment of competition. Periodic tests are given by the Career Launcher Career Institute, helping students to get familiar with the questions appearing from every topic. The contact details and other necessary details are mentioned. Hope by watching this video, all your doubts would be clear regarding the CLAT coachings in Mumbai. And if you not, you can always comment down your doubts in the comment section below and we'll reach out to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you.